Hi there, students. Inveterate. Inveterate, an adjective. Maybe an adverb as well, inveterately. Okay, if you say somebody is an inveterate liar, for example, this is a habit. This is something that they always do and they're not likely to change. Yeah, they've done this very often and they just can't stop doing it. Chronic, if you like. Okay, so inveterate. This says that something is a firmly established habit. They've done it for a long time. It's ingrained in their character, if you like. Yeah, it's habitual. Yeah, they've done this for many years. So he's an inveterate runner. He always goes running and has done so for many, many, many years. Yeah, he has inveterate preferences for these types of things, something that's deep-rooted, firmly and long established. Yeah, the inveterate hostility between the two ethnic groups. An inveterate smoker, confirmed in a habit, particularly a bad one, a hardened smoker, an inveterate smoker. He's an inveterate gambler. He's always gambling. Yeah, he likes gambling and always does it. Yeah, it's chronic. So he gambles inveterately. Incurable. Hardcore. Dyed in the wool. Yeah, something that's deep-rooted, entrenched, or deeply ingrained, a deeply seated habit. Yeah, his inveterate laziness means he never gets anything done. My friend Susan is an inveterate Tory. Yeah, she always votes for the Conservatives and has always had very long-standing, dyed-in-the-wool conservative ideas. Conservative, Tory, same thing. So confirmed, deep-rooted, something like that. Okay, so an inveterate tendency to do something. It's firmly established. I think when we're searching for things, we inveterately look at eye level. We inveterately don't look up. It's something that happens commonly. So, yeah, it's something that's entrenched in our character. Yeah? An inveterate tendency to exaggerate things. Okay, fishermen have an inveterate habit of always exaggerating the size of the fish that they caught. I guess you could call me an inveterate gardener. I've been gardening for many years and it's something that I always do. Yeah, so it's dyed in the wool. It's a deeply seated habit. So, inveterate, how formal is this? I think I would probably give it a 6.5. You could just about use it in an informal conversation, although habitual might be a better word more informally. Dyed in the wool. Chronic as well would be less formal. And then as to the origin, I think it comes from Latin, from the phrase, let's see, inveteratus, yeah, which is the past participle of invetare, to age, to get older. So in and veter or vetus, old, yeah. So yeah, in or into, and then vetare, to age, so that it's something that's aged into us. The word veteran, a veteran, is linked to this word inveterate. Okay, so yeah, I am an inveterate maker of English videos, as can be seen by the channel. Yeah, firmly established, long standing. It's something that I do. Yeah, I've done and have done for a long time. So, inveterate. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Inveterate, inveterately.